If you've ever wondered how to personalize your workspace in Asana and make it feel a bit more you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your profile color by switching up the overall Asana theme. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly adjust the look and feel of your dashboard so it's easier on your eyes, matches your style, or just gives you a fresh visual vibe that keeps you motivated and organized. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to get started by clicking on your profile photo, which you'll find in the top right corner of your Asana workspace. This little icon is your gateway to all kinds of personal settings, so give it a click. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. Sometimes menus can look a bit crowded, but all you have to do here is look for the Settings option. Go ahead and select that to continue. Once you click into Settings, a window will pop up with a handful of tabs at the top. Each tab lets you tweak a different part of your Asana experience. For today, our focus is on the Display tab. Find it among the other tabs, usually labeled pretty clearly, and click on it. Stepping into the Display tab is important because this is where Asana groups all the options that affect how things look for you personally, without impacting how other team members see their workspace. Now, you'll notice a section called Theme. This is where the fun begins. Within Theme, you'll have a few choices: light mode, dark mode, and an option to sync with your system settings. Let's break down what each one actually does, so you can pick whatever feels best for you. Choosing light mode turns your entire Asana workspace into a bright, clean look with lots of white space. This can help everything feel airy and open, and if you're working during the daytime or in a well-lit environment, light mode can make things easier to read. Dark mode, on the other hand, swaps that brightness for deeper tones and contrasting highlights. If you're working at night, or you just prefer less glare, dark mode can feel a lot softer on your eyes. Imagine moving from a sunlit room to a cozy den. There's also the Sync with System Settings option. This is super handy if you like your apps to match the theme of your device, whether your laptop, tablet, or phone, which means Asana will automatically switch between light or dark based on your overall system preferences. It's a small touch, but it keeps things consistent and can save you a bit of time. Once you select your preferred theme, the change is instant. You'll see your workspace shift automatically. No need to restart or refresh the page. If you aren't sure which you prefer, I recommend toggling between the modes to see which feels more comfortable for your eyes. Remember, there's no wrong choice here. It's all about personal comfort and what keeps you productive. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to update your profile color in Asana by changing the overall theme, a simple tweak that can make a big difference in your daily workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you run into any questions or want to share your favorite theme, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And of course, subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Asana.